Iceland flag history. The Icelandic flag has a history that dates back to the late 19th century, when Iceland was still a part of Denmark. Here is a brief overview of the Icelandic flag's history. In the late 19th century, Icelanders began to push for greater autonomy from Denmark, which had ruled the island since the 14th century. As part of this movement, a group of Icelandic students studying in Copenhagen designed a flag that would represent Iceland's national identity. The flag they designed featured a blue background with a white cross, representing the country's ties to Christianity. The cross was offset towards the left side of the flag, with the vertical arm of the cross slightly closer to the hoist side of the flag. The design was adopted as the official flag of Iceland on June 17, 1944, when the country declared its independence from Denmark. The flag was on that day, and has been the national symbol of Iceland ever since. Over the years, the design of the flag has remained largely unchanged, although minor modifications have been made to the dimensions of the cross and the shade of blue used. Today, the Icelandic flag is an important symbol of the country's national identity and history. It is flown proudly throughout the country on national holidays and other important occasions, and is recognized around the world as a symbol of Iceland's unique culture and heritage. The Icelandic flag was designed by a group of Icelandic students who were studying in Copenhagen in the late 19th century. The flag's design was inspired by the coat of arms of the Icelandic city of Copenhagen, which featured a blue shield with a white cross. The blue color of the flag is said to represent Iceland's rugged landscape, including its glaciers and ice caps. The white cross on the flag is a symbol of Christianity, which has played an important role in Icelandic history. The Icelandic flag was first flown in public in 1897. During celebrations to mark the 1000th anniversary of the settlement of Iceland. The design of the Icelandic flag has remained largely unchanged since its adoption in 1915, although minor modifications have been made to the dimensions of the cross and the shade of blue used. During World War II, the Icelandic flag became a symbol of the country's independence and resistance to foreign occupation. In recent years, the Icelandic flag has become a popular symbol of Icelandic pride and identity, and is often used in tourism and marketing campaigns. The Icelandic flag is one of the oldest continuously used national flags in the world. Icelanders are very proud of their flag, and it is often flown on public buildings, private homes, and even cars and boats throughout the country.